Hi folks, welcome to 27th video of the series. Today we are going to learn about how to use split and join function in string. First, I return a sentence and assign it to the s variable. Then in second line, s1 is equal to s dot split. Wherever space is there, I am having what after space then is there next space, so it will split what then is right in wherever the space is there. For that place it is going to split the sentences. So in next I'm printing that one. So here is the output. We splitted wherever the space is there. Suppose if you give 0, it will split here and here. That O is not to be printed. Here you can see O is not printed. So I'm splitting here wherever space is there. I'm printing S1. Next I am going to reverse the order. Suppose what is right in your mind is right in your world, so that only I reversed here. World year from last year to year. For world year in right is mind, so I reversed the sentence. Next I joined wherever the space is there. I joined S1. Suppose if you want to join wherever O is there, you can give O also. Here we got the output. We are joining O in between the every word. World O, your O, in O, right O. So we can join anything. Suppose if you want to join one, you can join one to one after every word. So thank you for watching. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.